guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natashea. If you are new here, my channel is about all things luxury, and from time to time I talk about how to better invest our money so we can afford more luxuries. But today's topic, as is always my favorite, is luxury. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. I look forward to what I have to unbox today. So, okay girls, it is, and guys, it is officially summertime, so I have some summer footwear to unbox for you guys today. I've already obviously opened it. I received it a few weeks ago, and so now, let's see what the summer look would be for this year. So I packed it back up the way it was, and I have shown it on my closet page, so you might have already seen it. If you're not already following my closet page, it is Natashea's Closet. It's Natashea's Closet on Instagram. So anyway, let's get it right into the unboxing. So this is still with the old Gucci boxing, because this is like, I think maybe from a season or two ago. And I think it might actually have been also an Italian release. I didn't really see these in America. I got them from an Italian vendor, so I got a good price on them. But here we go. Let's see if I can show this properly. By the way, I really like the new Gucci, the new Gucci packaging. Really pretty green. Okay, so here we just have like all this like information stuff, like Gucci responsibility stuff, and I got a few of them in here. And then now, okay, these are shoes, and this is actually the carrying pouch for the shoes, you guys. I am so excited about these shoes. Like, I'm so glad it is coming out so beautifully on camera, because that's how it looks like in person. And here are the shoes. And because of, sorry, and here are the shoes basically. They are slides, quilted slides, and they came beautifully packaged. And they have the horse bit here in the front. Oh, aren't they gorgeous? Now, you know, they look like an inside, house shoe, but honey, you can wear them outside. They are fully equipped to be worn outside. Now, I'm not a huge fan of like this really flat, slippery feeling bottom, but I can easily like put some kind of like protectant under here that has more like traction on here so that I don't slip and slide all over the place. But I love them. These are men's shoes because of how big my feet are. I have to get men's sizing. These are a bit big on my foot, so my foot ends like about here, but it's fine. They're still very comfortable, and I love them because over here they fit well. My foot is just not as long as this, but I am ready for the summer, honey. So basically these retail for $950 US, and I was able to get a really good deal on them because they were from last season, and they were an Italian release, I believe. I don't remember seeing these in the US, but they're definitely, if you Google them, they're quilted slides, and they were released in Italy, in the European market, and I was able to get them for $300 basically, and I am here for it. I don't care about seasons, okay? I care about what I'm excited about in my current closet. Whatever makes me feel good and comfortable and confident is what I'm all about. So these are my summer shoe. I also bought some Birkenstocks that I also showed on my Instagram, my Natashea's Closet Instagram, and yeah, these are a whole vibe. So I love the detail here, if you want to take a closer look. So, and it's like squishy and comfortable. Also have the horse bit here, and it's also padded on the inside in here, so this is like flexible. So yeah, all right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing. Oh, I also wanted to show you guys like how they go into this like case, right? So basically you take the shoe, it has like I don't know what you call those, but basically you can slip the shoe in here. So you see they're on opposite sides, so then they won't crush each other here. So you have a line here and a line on this side. They're on opposite sides, so you can put them in like that, and then you can zip them up so they don't crush each other. You can zip this up and you are ready to travel, babe. You are good. This is the whole vibe. The only thing I wish they did have on these was a handle of some sort, but otherwise I think this is a really valuable like addition to the shoe, and I can see why it was $900. Okay, so it has like the Gucci detail here and gold hardware. Beautiful. My only concern with the shoe is I have to be really conscious about where I wear these. They're not like a everyday shoe. They're more like going to a nice dinner, going to Napa, hint hint. They're also not like shoes I would wear where I know like I'm gonna be walking through like grass and all that. Like I'm being chauffeur driven, and I'm gonna go sit in a nice restaurant and cross my legs and have a good time shoes. So I'm pretty excited about them. But anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.